Hello everyone, Zach Long here joining you with Cameron Hughes Wine. This is gonna be a 2019 Petite Sirah, which is lot 882. This is a really fun wine. I'm thrilled to get to take you through it. Napa Valley Petite Sirah. Beautiful history in the Napa Valley. For those of you that may not know, 50 years ago, Petite Sirah would have been one of the dominant planted varietals around Napa Valley. Today, most of that land went to Cabernet Sauvignon. So to find an expression like this is, of course, quite a treat. And of course, one of my personal favorites. You'll notice the color on this guy. So the Petite Sirah is really known to have deep, dark color. It will stain your teeth. If you're gonna have this at your next party, keep in mind your teeth will end up purple, so you're gonna know who's enjoying your lot 882. One thing I really love about Petite Sirah is it's got a lot of the textural elements you expect out of Cabernet Sauvignon, but of course, it has these layers of deep, rich, dark fruit. Just makes it a beautiful wine. Good Christmas spice characteristics, cinnamon, clove, things like that. Really makes you feel like it's a great evening wine and makes me think of the holidays, frankly. Flavor wine, oh man. Juicy, rich, a lot of red fruit on the front, finishes in dark fruit on the back of the palate, good dusty tannins, a little bit drying. You can tell that this grape is so unique. It looks like Zinfandel, but the clusters are gonna be quite a bit bigger grapes. That also means that there's a lot of, that skin and seed tannin that gives the textural elements to the wine, makes it such a good drinking wine. If you like Cabernet, you should always have some Petite Sirah because again, it's gonna be really versatile with that fruit forward characteristic. Definitely a crowd pleaser. And I would say, if you have the opportunity, again, only about 400 cases, get yourself some lot 882 Petite Sirah from Napa Valley. You won't regret it. Cheers.